In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text fit in a cell or column in Google Sheets by using the text wrap feature. If you've ever been frustrated by text overflowing or getting cut off in your spreadsheet, then this tutorial is for you. Let's dive right in and make your Google Sheets look neat and easy to read. To begin, start by highlighting the specific cell or entire column where you want your text to fit. You can easily do this by clicking on the cell or clicking and dragging across multiple cells. Once you've made your selection, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, if you look at the toolbar above your spreadsheet, you'll notice an icon that resembles a line with an arrow passing through another line to the right. This might look a bit cryptic at first, but it's actually the icon for text wrapping. Hover over the icon if you need confirmation, as a tooltip should pop up. Go ahead and click on this text wrapping icon. Doing so will reveal a few options. What you're looking for here is the wrap icon, which ensures that any text that extends beyond the default column width is neatly wrapped within the cell. Click on this wrap icon and the magic happens. Your text will suddenly fit perfectly within the boundaries of the cell or column you've selected, and you won't have to worry about any data getting hidden or lost. By using this handy feature, you ensure not just better readability, but also a more professional and organized appearance for your spreadsheets. It's particularly useful if you're working with reports or data that could be shared with others, where presentation and clarity are key. And just like that, we've covered everything you need to know about using the text wrapping feature in Google Sheets. No more struggling with text that just won't stay put. From now on, you can ensure everything fits just right, without having to manually adjust each cell's size or worry about missing information. This one simple tool can save you tons of time and hassle. Keep practicing with different data sets, and soon it will become second nature. Thank you for joining me in this quick guide on text wrapping in Google Sheets. Don't forget to apply this skill next time you're organizing data to make your sheets more accessible and visually appealing. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider checking out more tips and tricks in our other videos to enhance your Google Sheets expertise. Happy organizing!